Have you ever heard when autumn arrives, the rain falls and leaves scatter? Have you ever heard the golden deer singing a love song? And have you ever heard when autumn comes, bringing affection and love? Do you hear it? The voice of my heart saying, let's fall in love. Do you hear it? When autumn comes, the rain gently drifts, the breeze blows softly. Do you hear it? When autumn returns, loneliness disappears. And do you hear it? When autumn arrives, hearts bloom with fresh green. Do you hear it? When autumn comes, my heart is filled with joy. The sunlight shines into my eyes, and the blue clouds leave me shy and restless. My lips naturally carry a sweet fragrance, making love linger on my rosy cheeks. I will sing for you and lull you to sleep. Tomorrow, when the rain is no more, I will wait for you to bring love to me. Have you ever dreamed when autumn comes, dreaming of a magical love? Dreaming of a place where only the two of us walk together on the same road. Oh, a love like the fragrance of flowers, so sweet and pure. Do you hear it? When autumn comes, the two of us walking together. Do you hear it? The voice of autumn saying, our love is as beautiful as a dream. The sunlight shines into my eyes, and the blue clouds leave me shy and restless. My lips naturally carry a sweet fragrance, making love linger on my rosy cheeks. I will sing for you and lull you to sleep. Tomorrow, when the rain is no more, I will wait for you to bring love to me. I will wait for you